Earnin App Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people get paycheck advances wrong. They either wait weeks for their next paycheck or fall into the trap of high-interest payday loans. The surprising truth about Earnin in 2025 is that it offers a fast, flexible, and interest-free way for employees to access earned wages before payday. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know about Earnin in 2025, from how it works, eligibility, costs, features, real-world examples, benefits, drawbacks, and whether it's the right tool for you. Let's dive in. First, what is Earnin? Earnin is a financial technology app that allows workers to access a portion of the money they've already earned without waiting for the traditional payday. Unlike payday loans, Earnin doesn't charge interest or mandatory fees. Instead, it operates on a pay-what-you-want model, letting users voluntarily tip for the service if they choose. By 2025, Earnin has expanded its offerings to include features like balance shields, automatic savings tools, and health-related cash advances, making it a versatile tool for personal finance management. Getting started with Earnin is simple. Users download the mobile app, create an account, and link it to their employer or work schedule. Earnin verifies income either via direct payroll integration or timesheet tracking, which ensures that users are only accessing wages they've actually earned. This transparency is key because it prevents overdrawing and maintains responsible lending practices. One of the standout features of Earnin is *** cash out ***. With cash out, users can access up to $500 per pay period, depending on how much they've already earned. Funds are typically deposited into your bank account within minutes, which is ideal for covering unexpected expenses, urgent bills, or small emergencies. For example, if your car breaks down midweek and you need $200 for repairs, Earnin can provide immediate access without the need for high-interest loan or credit card advance. Another valuable feature is ** Balance Shield ***. Balance Shield monitors your bank account for low balances and automatically advances funds to prevent overdraft fees. In 2025, this service can save users hundreds of dollars annually in overdraft charges, while also providing peace of mind. Most people underestimate how quickly small overdraft fees add up, and Balance Shield is a practical solution to avoid these financial pitfalls. Earnin also offers a ** tip option ***, which is a unique approach to revenue. Unlike traditional lenders, there's no fixed fee or interest. Users can choose to tip the app an amount they feel is fair for the service. This model ensures Earnin remains accessible to everyone while still generating revenue to maintain the platform. Many users report tipping between $0 and $5 per advance, keeping costs extremely low compared to payday loans that can reach hundreds in fees. ***, eligibility *** for Earnin in 2025 is straightforward. Users generally need to be employed, either full-time or part-time, with a steady source of income. The app supports hourly and salaried workers, and verification can be done through direct payroll, bank statements, or work schedules. While Earnin is widely available, some limitations exist for certain employers or industries, but the platform continues to expand its coverage. ***, funding speed *** is one of the app's biggest advantages. Unlike waiting for the next paycheck, users can receive funds within minutes to their bank account. This rapid access is especially important for employees living paycheck to paycheck or handling unexpected emergencies. Traditional banks might take days to process an advance, making Earnin a practical alternative in 2025. ** security ** is another major consideration. Earnin uses bank-level encryption and secure authentication to protect user data. By 2025, the app also implements fraud detection algorithms and secure payroll integrations to ensure that both the user and the employer information remain safe. Financial security is a top priority, especially when dealing with early wage access. Let's break down ** pros and cons ** Pros of Earnin: fast access to earned wages, often within minutes. No mandatory fees or interest, making it more affordable than payday loans. Flexible tip system allows users to pay what they can. Balance Shield protects against overdraft fees. Works with both hourly and salaried employees. Simple mobile app interface with intuitive features. Helps improve financial planning by giving access to earned income in advance. Cons of Earnin: maximum cash out is limited, usually up to $500 per pay period. Some employers or payroll systems may not be compatible. Users still need to manage spending responsibly. Early access can lead to overspending if not careful. Voluntary tips may accumulate for frequent users, adding up over time, not a replacement for long-term financial planning or savings. Real-world examples help illustrate how Earnin works. Jessica a retail employee, needed $300 for a last-minute car repair. By using Earn-In, she accessed the funds she had already earned that week and paid the repair shop immediately. This prevented late fees and avoided overdraft charges, all without interest. She tipped $2 for the service, which she considered reasonable for the speed and convenience. Another example is Michael a nurse working variable shifts. Earn-In's Balance Shield feature automatically advanced funds when his bank balance was low, avoiding a $35 overdraft fee. Over several months, he saved over $200 in fees, all while using the app's cash out feature sparingly to manage unexpected expenses. These examples demonstrate how Earn-In can provide tangible financial relief in everyday life. Compared to alternatives like payday loans or traditional bank advances, Earn-In stands out for its affordability and speed. Payday loans may offer quick access, but often come with APR exceeding 300%, creating cycles of debt. Traditional banks may have lower rates, but slow processing times and rigid requirements. Earn-In fills the gap for short-term, low-cost access to earned income without the burdens of high-interest lending. Tips for maximizing Earn-In in 2025. 1. Use cash advances for urgent needs rather than discretionary spending to maintain financial responsibility. 2. Monitor your tipping habits. Even voluntary tips can add up over time. 3. Utilize Balance Shield to avoid overdraft fees and maintain bank account stability. 4. Link your bank and payroll accounts securely for smooth operation. 5. Combine Earn-In with budgeting apps to track cash flow and prevent overspending. Earn-In also integrates with savings and wellness tools in 2025. Users can allocate a portion of cash outs directly into a savings goal or emergency fund. Additionally, some features help employees manage health-related expenses, such as short-term advances for medical bills, providing a holistic approach to financial well-being. The user experience in 2025 is optimized for simplicity. The app provides clear dashboards showing available cash out, repayment schedules, tip options, and history of transactions. Push notifications alert users when balances are low, funds are deposited, or tips are suggested, making it easy to stay on top of financial activity. Now, is Earn-In worth it in 2025? For employees who need occasional access to earned wages, want to avoid overdraft fees, or seek financial flexibility, Earn-In is an excellent option. It's important to remember that it's not a long-term solution for debt or a substitute for budgeting. Responsible use is key to maximizing the benefits, while avoiding dependency on advances. In conclusion, Earn-In in 2025 is a fast, convenient, and affordable way to access earned income before payday with features like cash out, balance shield, and voluntary tipping. It empowers users to manage unexpected expenses, avoid overdraft fees, and maintain control over their finances. While limits exist on maximum advances and employer compatibility, the app's speed, security, and user-friendly design make it a valuable tool for employees navigating today's financial challenges. When used responsibly, Earn-In provides peace of mind and financial flexibility without the pitfalls of high-interest loans. That's it for today's Earn-In review. If you found this guide helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below with your experiences or questions about using Earn-In in 2025. Understanding how to manage early wage access can be a game changer for personal finance, helping you stay ahead of unexpected expenses and avoid costly fees.